Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a landing page to your website. First, it's crucial to understand the specific goal of your landing page and who you are trying to reach. This clarity will guide your design and content choices. Next, choose a reliable platform for building and hosting your page. Many options offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces. Finally, ensure your landing page visually matches your main website, maintaining brand consistency across all your digital assets. There are several effective ways to integrate your landing page. One common method is using a subdomain, like offers.yourdomain.com, which provides a professional and organized structure. Another approach involves embedding the landing page content directly into an existing page on your main website, offering a seamless user flow. Alternatively, you can simply link to your landing page from your main site's navigation menu or within relevant blog posts, guiding visitors to specific offers. A smooth user experience is paramount for successful integration. Ensure that your landing page maintains consistent branding with your main website using the same color palette, fonts, and imagery. This creates a cohesive and trustworthy experience for your visitors. Furthermore, include clear and compelling calls to action on your landing page, guiding users toward the desired conversion. Always offer an easy way for visitors to navigate back to your main site if they choose. After connecting your landing page, rigorous testing is essential. Before going live, meticulously check all links, forms, and interactive elements to ensure they function perfectly. Once launched, closely monitor key performance indicators like conversion rates, bounce rates, and time on page. These metrics provide valuable insights into user behavior. Use this data to continuously optimize your landing page, making small, iterative improvements to maximize its effectiveness and achieve your marketing goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.